All right, guys, it's Angelo Christian today with another great edition of Real Estate Insider, and today we're going to be talking about how to pay off your home in 7 years. They say it ain't true. They say it couldn't be so, but it actually is, and I'm going to show you how today with a home equity accelerator, how you can actually pay off your home in 7 years. You don't have to wait 30 years and just make the minimum payment. You don't have to wait 15 years or 25 years. You can actually pay your home off in as little as 7 years, okay? And I'm going to show you today with our demonstration. We have our home equity accelerator that I'm going to actually show you where we actually do a biweekly plan, and you can actually trim off of your mortgage up to 7 years by not even you paying the extra money towards the principal. You can make the same monthly payment as you do on a regular your house payment, but by you paying bi-weekly, it takes up to 7 years off of the loan. In this example, on a $250,000 loan, you save $43,000 in interest, guys. That's massive. You can use that money for your 401k, for your retirement, for your children's college, for your vacations, for home improvements. There's so much that you can do with that extra interest. Don't waste that money to the banks. The banks don't want you to know that if you pay extra towards your principal, you can actually pay your loan off faster. And you don't have to add more money to the payment. I'm telling you that you can do it with the same amount you're already paying. In this example, if you're paying $1,500 a month, if you pay $750 bi-weekly, you're going to take 7 years off of your loan, and it's going to save you tens of thousands of dollars. Why not do that and just have it auto-drafted out of your checking account with your payroll check? That's a no-brainer opportunity. And then if we help you with doing your loan, we can set up the biweekly rapid pay plan for you as well. It's a wonderful opportunity, a great savings if you own a home, so you don't have to waste tens of thousands of dollars on interest to a bank. It doesn't make any sense. It's stupid. When you can actually use that money to somewhere else, man. If you had an extra $43,000, that could be in your retirement account. That could be for you going on the vacation around the world or whatever you value, whatever you care about, but don't waste the money. So that's the whole basis of today. Now, the one thing about the home equity accelerator is you can also add more money to the principal as well. In this example, we're just using that you use the same monthly payment that you pay right now. But if you pay bi-weekly and you want to add an extra $100 a month, you can add that and it goes straight towards the principal. What happens with compound interest, it works in your favor too. It can work positively or negatively. If you add more to the principal, it's going to reduce that interest rate. And the effective interest rate in this example, it starts at 5%. The interest rate is going to drop down to 4.25% because now what's happening is you're taking the extra money and being applied towards the principal. It lowers the amount of interest that you finance, so your interest charges go down too. So your interest rate drops from a 5% down to a 4.25, and you shave 7 years off the mortgage. It's a phenomenal opportunity, guys. And if you're not aware of it, it's time to wake up. That's what we do here with our network. We empower people, we educate them, and show them how to save money, how to invest, and how to multiply their income. So if you have a mortgage already, get on the biweekly home equity accelerator. If you got your tax refund, throw some of that extra money towards that principal and pay that loan off faster so you can become debt-free. You don't want to be burdened by that mortgage for 30 years. Don't do it, guys. And you're going to be cash-strapped. You can free up money and pay that loan off faster. So I'm a huge advocate of that and trying to get out of debt as fast as you can. And paying off your mortgage and trimming years off of it is a wonderful opportunity for you to become debt-free. And I highly encourage and highly recommend that you consider the Home Equity Accelerator. Now, if we're helping you with your home loan, we also have this program. We also offer it to our clients. So whether you're buying a commercial building, apartment complex, a restaurant, or just buying a house, we can help you with the Home Equity Accelerator. My name is Angelo Christian. I've been doing mortgage finance lending for over 15 years, lent over $1 billion in lending, helped over 13,000 people all over the world to get funding. I'd love to help you whether you're trying to buy a hotel, a restaurant, an apartment complex, you're trying to refinance, cash out your business, or you're trying to buy your new home for you and your family, whether you're a veteran, you're a USDA customer, or you're a first-time buyer, millennial. I want to help you with getting the funding that you want and that you deserve to get you the best loan program. Give Angelo Christian a call, 832-431-6331. I'd love to help you with your financial goals. Thank you so much for following us on our YouTube. Our goal is to grow to 1 million followers in the next 5 years. Please share this with all your friends, your family. Leave any comments down below, any chats, anything that you want to hear or see. Follow us on our Facebook, our Instagram, on our YouTube especially. How to pay off your mortgage in 7 years with Angelo Christian. Guys, thank you so much for checking us out. Take care and peace out. And max out your life. Be the best. So guys, one of the things that we're talking about here is obviously the goal is to pay off your mortgage as soon as possible. Nobody wants to let that interest linger. You want to try and pay off your home as soon as possible. So one of the things with our bank, what we do is a home equity accelerator, a rapid pay plan, where you can actually pay towards your principal as fast as you want. So that way you can trim down on that mortgage interest and you can retire sooner and use your money elsewhere. So that's what we're going to be talking about today, is actually showing you the home equity biweekly accelerator calculator so you can actually pay your home off faster. So that way you can use some of that money for your retirement, for your vacation, for your family. So this is the calculator right here. I'm just going to kind of show you. We're using an example of a $250,000 mortgage, an interest rate at 5%, and a 30-year fixed rate term. And I'm going to show you the difference between a regular 30-year, if you just pay monthly, and if you pay biweekly, and the amount of savings that you're going to realize is gigantic. It's massive. And all you're doing is taking the monthly payment, dividing it by 2, and then paying that biweekly. Okay? So, and you can actually, you can just, you can click on here to show the schedule. And you can hit calculate. And it'll drop down, and we'll just take a look and see. When we scroll up, how much you can actually save. So here you can see, as we look at it, scroll up, really cool. It's actually really amazing how much money you can save by doing the, let's take a look here and see. All right, so this is we're going to look at the amortization, so you can break this down and see. So the power of a biweekly home equity accelerator it's massive. And this is the schedule it shows you. Really, really cool. So let's look at it. Here we have two examples right here. You have the standard on the left side, a 30-year amortization, and on the right side, the biweekly amortization. So you see here, by you just paying biweekly, it takes off 4.9 years, guys, off your mortgage. All right, so you get your mortgage from 30 years down to 25 years just by paying biweekly, okay? Because what ends up happening is you end up effectively making one extra payment to the principal every single year. And by doing that, look how much interest you save. You save $43,405.02 by doing the biweekly plan. So it's really, really massive savings, okay? So I love it because of the amount of interest that you're going to save by doing the biweekly. Because that extra let's think about it, guys. The extra $43,000, you could use that for your family, okay? For your vacation, for your retirement, for your children's college. There's so many other things that you could do as opposed to wasting that money on rent. That's why I'm such a big advocate of you taking that extra money and applying it towards paying off your home faster. So if you are doing a loan with us, we'd love to help you with the biweekly, the home equity accelerator, or if you're with your other bank, get this set up. It's powerful. And you can look at the amortization table here if you want to check it out. It kind of shows you the breakdown of what it looks like. And you can actually review it and see what the table looks like, and you can actually come down here and you can see how the payments break down. In year one, how much you save. Year two, year three. Every year you're saving thousands of dollars on your amortization by just paying the biweekly. And what also is really cool is that if you wanted to, you could even add more to the principal. If you wanted to pay it off faster, you can pay it off faster. So that's another really cool thing that I like. If you want to pay off your home faster, you can by even adding more to the principal. For example, let's say that you were to add, an extra $100 a month to the payment. That would even trim down another 5 years off your loan. So I'm a real big advocate of doing that because it will help you even save more money and paying off your loan faster. So this is really powerful. How the math works. with compound interest. Now you get it to use it in your favor and actually pay it off your loan faster. So don't be, suckered or bamboozled by banks. Pay off your home faster. Do the home equity accelerator. It's a very powerful thing, as you can see in this example. I want to highlight that and point it out. You're going to save $43,405 by doing the biweekly plan. So, guys, give Angelo Christian a call if you're looking to get help and you want to save money on your mortgage and pay off your loan in 7 years. 832-431-6331. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.